What is up, YouTube? It is Toshinae Letrice and you are watching my channel. So let's get right into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do a wash and go for you guys since I just washed my hair and I'm about to style it anyway. I have already washed it and deep conditioned and your girl's just about to hop right into this hairdo. It's gonna be quick, sweet, cute. Oh. Deep conditioning my hair right now. And I low-key don't want to rinse it out, so I'm just gonna do that, okay? In case you guys didn't know, when you guys have deep conditioners, some deep conditioners can be left in like as a leave-in in your hair, and so I'm gonna be substituting a leave-in just by wearing my deep conditioner as a leave-in. So I'm gonna go ahead and part this up really quickly because it's gonna dry. You know my hair, she gonna dry up immediately. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my crocodile clip. I just found out these were called that. I just thought they were clips, but crocodile clip, and put that up along with this section. Putting that up as well. I'm loving how this deep conditioner like makes my curls so nice and moisturized. I'm gonna put that up, make another section, and get going on this bad boy. Okay, so yeah, starting right here, I'm just gonna be going in with a new product. So I wanted to test some of the products. If you didn't see my quick Target haul video, I'm gonna have that linked somewhere over here. I'm gonna be trying out one of the products that I picked up from there, which was the TPH by Taraji Tough Cookie Style Defining Gel. So we'll see how this pairs with this. I don't know how well it will, but you know, we just gonna see what happens, okay? So I'm leaving this deep conditioner in. It's in my wash and go video, so go ahead and look at that video. If you wanna know what products I used to wash my hair today, they're the same exact products that I used in my video, so go ahead and watch that to get that info. Yeah, I have not used this product before, like I already said. I'm really excited to try it. I'm gonna try to work fast because my hair is already wet and I don't want to have to use a spray bottle, but I probably will. So my first impression is that it's a pretty jiggly gel, okay? Oh, it almost fell out. Okay, so it's not super thick. Like I said in my Target video, it has a very strong scent, like a perfume type of scent, and it's like really strong. I'm not a big fan of how it smells. It smells like my grandma's perfume or something. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, but I'm gonna take a good scoop of that. Let's see. Gonna go ahead and scoop that up. Ooh, okay. I love me a good gel, so we're gonna see. Gonna go ahead and apply that to this section right here. It's spreading pretty good. I didn't have to use that much. Feels like it's coating every single strand. Okay. I have a good feeling about this, you guys, but we gonna see. I'm gonna just try not to get my hopes up just in case leaving the deep conditioner in was a bad idea. And my hair is just like, no, no, it's too wet. It could be too wet, but we gonna find out really quickly. We finna find out. We finna find out. I'm gonna just, yeah, do that across my whole entire head. Just the gel, nothing else. Deep conditioner and gel. Ooh. Make sure you get that detangled, okay? Detangle that hair all the way up the root, because that's really where my hair be tangled at, close to the roots, y'all. The thing I'm worried about is my hair getting too moisture, like too much moisture. I don't want it to get like to be so wet that it's frizzy, you know what I mean? If y'all have that same issue, let me know. I don't want that to happen, so I'm trying to rake out all the excess deep conditioner, because I feel like that's what's gonna cause a lot of the moisture problem. I'll put some more gel because I feel like, I don't know if I put enough. And and I really want to see how this gel works. So I want to make sure I'm using enough and I know exactly what it does. For gel, more is always better because I want my hair really to not have no frizz. So far it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good to me. Y'all, I'm actually like super surprised that I'm not getting product all over my shirt right now. Like, ooh, I know I have some right there, but other than that, like, usually this is a messy process for me. So I'm just taking a little victory of like preserving my shirt without, oh, as soon as I said that, whatever. We just gonna act like I didn't say that because now my shirt is dirty. Let's see what Taraji got in store for me, okay? Like, I don't really like the smell, but as I'm putting it on, it's not like overbearing, you know what I mean? Like, I can smell it, but it's not, I don't know. It smells a little more, it smells softer now that it's in my hair. I don't know if that even makes sense. But like, it was super harsh when I first opened the jar, and now that it's like in my hair, like, I enjoy the scent. It smells clean. It smells like good, but it's not, I don't know, it's not what I expect from a hair product. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't smell like hair products. It smells like perfume or something. Oh no. My whole necklace just broke? Is this broken? No, I don't think it's broken. Well, this just came off, so. I'm really trying to test this product out for y'all. I'm putting a lot of this gel in my hair. I'm really trying to make sure it's in there and that it's going to give me a good representation of what this product actually does, instead of like putting a little and not really getting a feel for it. My curls look very moisturized right now. That's one thing I will say. I got some shine. I don't know if that's the deep conditioner working in my favor, but yeah, a good amount of shine right now, which I'm liking. And the definition's probably gonna be crucial. I can already tell. Nothing bad has happened yet. I don't see much frizz happening, okay? That's really all I'm worried about. That frizz getting out of control. That's what I'm worried about, the frizz getting out of control. If you can tame this frizz, then we are friends. I will continue to use your product. All right, Taraji. Let me get an even part here. Ooh, this is the hard part. Ooh, I said this is the hard part and then slayed it. That was obviously the easy part. That was the easy part. That should take 2 seconds. I am a pro, okay? Look at that. Straight line. Boom. Just like that. Get it. Get it, Tosh. Get it, Tosh. You know, you gotta hype yourself up sometimes. Go, bitch. Go, bitch. All right, and then what I like to do at the end is just put another layer across the top so that there's, you know, it's, I don't know. I just like to put some on top, okay? Just to make sure it really got in there. I don't go over each section, obviously, but each side in half. So, let me get that out of there. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this, whoop, split that down the middle, and then I go over this side and just, you know, glide that over so everything stays sleek. Cause I'm going for a sleek type of look. Less volume, more definition. Less volume, more definition, but we'll see. My hair usually just gives me what it wants to give me. To be really honest with you, so it might have some volume in there and that's just what's gonna be. But I'm trying to make it to where I have less volume and it's more just defined curls. Whew, okay. And I'm done with barely anything on my shirt. I'm proud of this, okay? My shirt could be like covered in white conditioner and everything right now, but you know, it's pretty decent. Once it dries, I'll still be able to wear this. You know the deal. This is it. I have applied all the product. It looks pretty good so far, okay? I think it's looking pretty good. Let me go ahead and turn it around. Tell me y'all if I have product, okay? Y'all need to leave in the comments if I be having product in the back, even though I obviously can see it when I edit the video, so just forget I even said that. Once this is dry, I'm gonna come back, show y'all the final look, and give you my final review of this product right here, which is, once again, Tough Cookie by TPH, okay? All right, you guys, I am back, and this is my final result, okay? Let me just say, I love the definition. It's not 100% dry, like there's a couple little spots underneath, but like it's about 85 to 90% dry right now. Like the ends are dry. All this is pretty dry, so yeah, I'm loving the definition. Now, is it a little bit crunchy? A little bit, but I kind of like it a little crunchy, a little bit crunch, but I do scrunch the crunch out a little bit. But I like how this has my hair looking, okay? I think the gel holds up really nicely and my hair still doesn't feel like, it feels soft still, even though there's a little crunch, it's still soft, it still looks very nice, okay? I'm loving it. I just went ahead and put some oil on it. So I used this oil by The Main Choice for a while and my hair was growing a lot. And then I just sprayed a little bit of this Healing Dry Oil on the top for a little bit of shine. So I'm looking, how you think I'm looking? I'm looking good, okay? I'm looking, scrumptious. This is what I'm looking right now. So yes, this is the final look. I'm happy with TPH, okay? I'm gonna have to get some more products from her line because this is actually really nice. And the smell honestly isn't too bad. I know I said it was like kind of bad, but it's not too bad. It's kind of growing on me. I like the scent. It smells very fresh and like refreshing. So yes, that's the Tough Cookie Styling Gel. I want to try some of the red products like the conditioners and the mask and stuff like that. So this, I would give it a, I'd give this gel a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10. Like, it's really nice. It's not too crunchy at all. Like, my hair feels actually really good. I'm satisfied with the product. So thank you guys for watching my little review and my wash and go for my wash day. Thank you for staying and watching my face and being a part of my channel. Leave a comment down below what I should do next, what products you want to see me review, story times you want to hear from me, or anything like that. Hit that subscribe button and smack that notification bell so that you can see me on this screen every time I post a video, okay?
So I'll see y'all next time.